As part of the beKids coding activity, students will join Grace, Zach, and Dot the robot on an adventure in the Loop Galaxy. Students will use block coding to complete exciting tasks and learn the basics of algorithms, sequences, and loops. The activity begins with a video setting the scene for students. As it moves through the instructions, it gives guided hands to walk students through each step to reach their goal. The activity guides students through each step by modeling with a pointer hand. Students simply watch and listen to the upcoming challenge and then complete the necessary steps.
This tile will make Dot take one step right. Drag a blue coding tile so it connects with the main tile. One step, tap Run to activate the coding tiles below the main tile.
If a student makes a mistake when coding, the character will simply not be able to complete the task, and students will be prompted to try again. They'll click Try Again and brought back to the coding panel. If students ever get stuck not knowing what directions to take, you can always click the question mark in the orange circle. This will prompt them with what they need to do next, and then be modeled with the hand to show them where to click. In order for students to see the different levels of the game, they'll click the pause button in the top right-hand corner. Then they'll see the option to play to continue the game, or click the home button. If students click the home button, it will show them the different levels they've completed, colored in orange, and the different levels that they can still complete that have not been colored in yet. Whenever they're ready to continue back to the activity, we'll just click that level and return.